It's Casey Corbin, and I decided to do an open box. I'm really excited about this big old box of stuff, wow, that I got from DecoArt. So let's see what I got. Pretty exciting to basically be sponsored. I got empty cardboard.
Cool.
Alright. I got
Empty box.
Empty cardboard.
How
I
much?
got empty bags.
Cool.
Then
Got paint.
oh, that's really heavy. A bunch. What is this? They package things really well. Oh man. So my next art class is going to be able to pick from these cool colors here. Some of them are glittery. Ooh, look at that right there. That's going to make some really cool pouring medium. Man, oh yeah. This is the premium stuff right here. You use just a few drops. These here, yeah. They are really, that is some really good stuff. So I can hardly wait to start teaching using that stuff. And so, ooh, this is metallic paint. That's going to be fun to use. And aquamarine, this traditions, let's see, what is this? I remember reading about this, but I'm not really sure exactly what that is, but I'm going to find out. And then some varnishes.
It says DecoArt Trenchants.
Yes.
Acrylic floor.
More metallic. Wow, we're going to have a lot of
There's another box
paint.
I keep to have.
Another paint. Oh yeah, this is really exciting.
Like a paycheck.
This is to turn all of. I take this cap off and put this cap on, and it makes.
Oh, so it's basically one of those squirty things where you're like squirting.
Yeah, it's a needle nose thing. You can actually write with it, but you can do very fine work with it too. And then this is the cleaner tip for it. Every time you screw it back on again, it cleans the tip for you, which is really neat. So I got a bunch of these to be able to turn a bunch of regular paint into the kind that has needle nose wires on it. Oh, and here's another. Look at this. It's an empty box.
Cool shape.
They pack really well, I gotta say. And here's some more gorgeous metallics. Look at these. Silver. This one is the, let's see, bright metallic paint. Did you say what color it is? Oh, pearl. So that one I think we'll be able to mix with others. And then there's a really pretty gold. That's a bright gold, and there's a dark silver. Kind of easy to see it this way. Oh man, okay.
This is what whoever signs up for this is going to be using all of these arts.
That's true, all these arts. Here's another art, and it's copper, I love it. And this one, let's see, self-sealing stain. Oh yeah, it's a white stain, so I wanted to see what that would do.
White stain?
Yep, and this one is a teal stain. It's very liquidy, you can hear that. So that's pretty cool. Oh wow, paint is heavy. Let's add all this cool stuff. Alright, now, look here. Alright, so I decided to focus the next class on a lot of teals and beautiful things like aqua, and then this is the green blue. So we're kind of focusing on that color just to see how the difference between the types of products, even though they are the same color. And look at this, a whole big
premium on
it. Yeah, premium. It's premium sealer spray paint, and some more of the green. Oh, and lots of white. So we can make white paint mix.
Dad, they're gonna be like shake, shake, shake.
I don't think so. Well, one thing that I offered to my classes is that when they come to another class, they can bring their old art and we will varnish it. So we use very few brushes in this type of art form, but these just look like really neat brushes. I love that angle that's on there. Oh, so this has got the tip on it already, and so this is a metallic rider, they call it. Can you zoom in this one? Yes. It's a metallic rider, and there's a couple of these. Yep. Alright, and then this is, I don't really know how to use this yet, but I'm going to be excited to find out.
It's more like our spray cans.
Kind of, it's a mister, but that's a yellow color.
Yeah, so you're supposed to go like this.
Yeah, I think that it will work whenever we do a pour and it's still wet and we put it on there. I think it's going to probably operate like Indian ink and spread out all over the place. So.
Are these, Dad?
Yes.
Are these 3?
3 different whites. Mm-hmm.
Oh,
yeah.
I thought they were all the exact same color.
So I'm going to,
this,
I need,
this, and this.
we always need lots of white. And this is the triple thick, which is, that is a fantastic product. I really love it. It is a varnish that you use, and I believe I ordered more of it. Maybe it's in this box here. Alright, after this one, there's only one more little box left.
Cool. I'm just gonna go ahead and grab that.
Well, here, stay with me. Alright. Okay, good. Alright, here's the good stuff. This is the high gloss varnish. And so that's what we're going to make paint out of, and this is the yellow acrylic. Well, you can make the flow mix out of pouring medium or Floetrol, or you can use a nice varnish. So I'm pretty excited about that. Well, this has been Casey Cole Corbin with CaseyColeCorbin.com and Dynamic Fluid Art, and I'm pretty jazzed about this shipment that I just got of paint from DecoArt.